Hello, friends. This is a practice of section 5.3. This is the application that goes along with 5.3. Pause the video and write down everything you see, and I'll talk you through this problem. So, we have this equation. This is what happens when something falls from a height. It's not thrown, it's not tossed, there is no force involved. It's just something falling from the top of a building or from the top of a pole or from a high rock. So force is not involved in this equation. H represents the height of the object when it lands. H represents the height of the object when it lands. If it lands on the ground, H will be 0. T represents the time in seconds. You're writing all this down, right? T is the time in seconds. And this H sub 0, this is the original height of the object, the original height of the object. So it tells me how high it's being dropped from, the top of a building, the top of a pole. How high is the building? How high is the pole? Okay, let's set up example 1. A person's trapped in a building 120 feet above the ground. That's the H sub 0. So here's what it looks like. Here's your equation. This 120, that goes here. And you guys, it lands on an air cushion and then it goes to the ground. So when you land on an air cushion, it gently lowers you to the ground. So you end up at 0. And we're trying to find the time. Okay, you know how to solve this. Once you have it set up, you just solve for the t squared. Subtract 120 from both sides. Then divide by -16, and you get 7.5 or 7.5-ish. When you square root both sides, we know that we get a plus or minus, and the square root of 7.5 is 2.7. I think it says to round. When you do these, you round to the nearest tenth, so it's 2.7, but you guys, you can't have a negative answer. That's extraneous. So it is 2.7 seconds to land on the ground. Okay, I have another problem for you. I'm just going to have you practice it. You do this one. Pause the video and try this problem. There you go. And here's my work for it. You get 0 equals -16t squared plus 254. You subtract 254, you divide, and you take the square root of each. You end up with 4 seconds. Okay, go do your other homework, and then make your bed. I'll see you guys later. Bye.